Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve Business and Newspaper Sudoku puzzle on October 3, 2022 Hard Sudoku. Third row, we have 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then second grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 4, 8. Column E, column G, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then second grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Second row, third row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. 1 will come in another cells. We will confirm later. Column F, 6th row and 7th row, we have pair numbers 4 and 9. So 4 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column G, you already have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column G, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 7th row and 9th row, we have 7. 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column H, column E, and 4th grade, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 5th row and 6th row, column B, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column G, column B, we have pair numbers 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column G, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column G, only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Then 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column J and 7th grade, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column E, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column E, only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. 9th grade, 6th row and 3rd row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. The 8 is confirmed here. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column I, 4th row, we have pair numbers 6 and 9. 6 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 4th row, we have 7. 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then 3rd grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column I, we have 7. 7 can't come in the cell, then 7 is confirmed here. Column I, we have 5 and 8. So 5 and 8 can't come in this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. 6th row, we already have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 6th grid, only one number is remaining, 3 is confirmed here. Then 6th row, only one number is remaining, 3 is confirmed here. Then 7th row, only one number is remaining, 5 is confirmed here. Column H, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 9, 3. 10th row, we have 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 can't come in this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. Third grid, we already have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then column H, only one number is remaining, 9 is confirmed here. Then third grid, only one number is remaining, 9 is confirmed here. Then second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. Column C, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column B, and third row, we have pair numbers 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column D, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then fourth row, only one number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. Column B, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 6, 7. First grid, we have 4 and 6. Third also we have 4 and 6. So 4 and 6 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. Fourth grid, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then column B, only one number is remaining, 7 is confirmed here. Then first grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9, it will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Fourth grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8, it will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column C, 9th row, 10th row, we got 7. 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here. The 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. Column J, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column J, we have 1. 7 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column C, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column C, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then column D, only one number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. 8th row, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. 10th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. 10th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.